Hey guys, welcome to Cravings and Cuisines. Today we are going to make Gajar ka halwa. So let's start with the recipe. For Gajar ka halwa, I'm taking 250 grams of ghee, clarified butter. To this, I'll be adding 15 to 20 crushed cardamom. And then I have taken the grated carrots. I'm using 6 kg of carrots here. You can make even the smaller portion. We'll saute the carrots till they turn orange. Meanwhile, our carrot is being sauteed. Let's go to the milk. I'm using 3 liters of milk which I have put to boil to reduce to the half. See, the carrots are turning orange. We'll have to saute a little more. See, this is how the carrot will look. It have turned orange and the water released from the carrots have completely evaporated. Now to this I'll be adding the reduced milk. We will cook this carrot in reduced milk till the milk evaporates almost completely. See, the milk is evaporated considerably. Now to this we can add sugar. There is little moisture still available. I haven't completely evaporated the milk. Add sugar and cook till the sugar is dissolved and all the milk is evaporated completely. This fruit is abundantly available in winter season, so guys, go and grab your share of carrots and do make this classical gajar ka halwa. To this I am adding 1 kg of khoya. This is also called Mawa. After adding Mawa, we don't have to mix it too much or else our Mawa will break. Have to just stir for a few minutes. Then you will see that the milk is evaporated and fat is appearing around the halwa. Now you can add the nuts of your choice. I am adding cashew, almond and raisins and 1 tablespoon of green cardamom powder. Now our halwa is ready. You can serve. Subscribe to Cravings and Cuisines and click on the bell icon to get updates.